Okay, that's more than enough.
Okay.
Hi, Lola and Lola. I miss you and I love you. And Lola, I hope you have a great 40th birthday. And 80th? Wow, that was sad.
You're younger. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
80th birthday. And I hope you can visit Texas next time. And I love you.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. Just want to say, greet you guys happy 80th birthday. So happy that Melanie and Ate Annie were able to make it there. I'm sure happy kayo dyan and enjoy and good health and more blessings para marami pa kayong matulungan na tao. Happy birthday!
Hello po, Lola and Lolo. We miss you so much, and like Kate said, I really hope that you guys get to visit us here in Austin, maybe vacation time, or if we have some vacation time, we'll definitely come and visit you guys, because we miss you and we love you so much. And thank you for everything that you've done for us from day one, from the day I was born. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Love you!
We love you!
We love you.